Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I will continue with my ongoing civil justice sign off. For Pope Francis and absolute monarchs enforced and mandated, and then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created accident types, domestic violence type, widows or widowers, and divorce with or without children, with fatal human negligence of Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist is identified and proved. So Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans forever, and absolute monarchs organization must be sealed and shut down forever, and human negligence for human negligence health creating organization effective immediate, and Pope Francis must resign effective now. I must become Vatican leader effective now with tax-free salary of $250,000 per annum, and President Joe Biden must resign effective now, and I become interim leader of USA now, and I become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations and Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, and I become Global Medical Director to lead the Department of Health Services in all nations, Welfare Services in all nations, and Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu to be renamed after my name effective immediate. Then I'll also read the text which I own, which is on the screenshots in the video clips. So that is Civil Justice Process, January 22, 2021, 666, Vatican Jesuits Error. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created man-made accidents in human kingdom worldwide, and civil justice must be served immediate as of January 2021, as of today. So for Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created road accidents worldwide to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created airways accidents worldwide to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created railways accidents worldwide to destroy the human brain nerves of fellow mankind. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created oceans accidents to destroy the human brain nerves of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then sub-classification of Pope Francis created accidents of any types. So that is called as a 666. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer type, the Antichrist created. Domestic violence type classification part A is widows or widowers with or without children. The damage is done severity level 10 in scale of 1 to 10. For 10, the highest level of damages on brain level cells of mankind. And domestic violence type classification part B is divorce with or without children. Severity type is 1000 in scale of 1 to 10. 1000, the exponential highest level of damages done on brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. So, the civil justice as of January 22, 2021 is Antichrist Pope Francis to resign any second. Then 46th USA President Joe Biden to resign any second. And I, Veda Priya, own the text for ongoing civil justice process to be provided as in Holy Bible guidelines. Then January 2021, the tort law is the online education services. However, I provided the explanation of what are the injury types. So according to the tort law, the damages done to the human kingdom, plant kingdom, and animal kingdom. So damages part A is the external physical injury, and damages part B is the internal emotional and feelings injury that is created on the brain nerve cells and the heart nerve cells. So cost of the pain and agony inflicted one one nerve per nerve type cells in brain nerve cells times total brain nerves for human kingdom brain types, animal kingdom brain types, and plant kingdom brain types, and emotional wastages and injury, and feelings and wastage and injury, and feelings and each emotion measured in units of feelings damages done to the human kingdom, plant kingdom, and animal kingdom. Then the type of the tort law damages are breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, then causation and injury types, then battery and types, then assault and types, then false imprisonment, then trespass to land, then trespass to chattels. So one more time, the civil justice as of January 22, 21 is Antichrist Pope Francis to resign any second. 46th President Joe Biden to resign any second. So 666, according to the Satan, Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Antichrist must should pay tax-free $500,000 to 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created deadliest domestic violence type accidents to destroy human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. I, Vedapriya, own the text for ongoing civil justice process as in Holy Bible guidelines. That is the civil justice sign off for only domestic violence type, widows and widowers, and divorce. So I am absolutely positive you all are happiest that civil sign off process is the shortest one. And I will end the session and will continue with more display of deadliest zero tolerance crimes of absolute monarchs, the Satans, the hell creators, and civil justice must be served immediately. Okay, when Pope Francis is God of USA, there must never be any Pope Francis created man-made accidents in or anywhere of any type, anywhere in any nations. As of today, January 22nd, 2021, is the wisdom. Civil justice wins always is the wisdom. So be still and be known that I am born to save the world. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.